I really miss those days when DV process used to be so predictable. You know, you could tell that the process is going to start in the month of October. You know, applications used to start in the month of October and November. This is when most people used to apply. And in the month of May, the following year, results would be out. For example, in this month we are currently in this month of May, the results will be right now, the result will be out. People will be checking, others will be filling their DS260 because this is where most people fill their DS260 in the month of May after results, you know. But this year, things have been different because people did not apply for DV lottery as most people do apply. We thought that the applications will start in the month of maybe January this year. It did not happen. Then we thought it's going to start in the month of February. You know, based on the things we see them talk about, we thought the process is going to happen in the month of April. Nothing happened. They keep talking like something is going to happen, but nothing has happened. The process of DV lottery has lately become so unpredictable. And that is the reason why some of us went silent. You know, we used to create DV lottery content, but now you don't know what to tell people. Like I've been silent for a couple of months because I did not know what to say because this thing has become so unpredictable lately. You hear them talk of news, like for example, there is this website here we follow, you know, this website here. They talk of the news of things that are going to happen. But no news have been released about DV lottery lately. The last update we received is this one here. We thought that the process is going to happen, but nothing has been forthcoming. Nothing. So people have been in the darkness. They don't know what to do, especially people from Africa. I like talking more about people from Nairobi because that's where I came from. The process has become so unpredictable. As we continue with this video, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and you like this video as we continue sharing about the DV process and life of immigrants in United States. Lately, I've seen people go to Nairobi for their visa interview and they have been given the yellow paper. You know, when they give you the yellow paper in Nairobi, you know, they give you the yellow paper. That means you wait. Wait. You know, you have to wait for them to approve your visa. Normally, people used to go for interview and they used to be given a green paper and a white paper with your alien number. And you could just wait for like a week or a couple of days and your visa could be printed and you could go get your visa. We used to get them in DHL offices, those who were in Kenya, you know. We used to get them there in DHL offices. But lately, things have been so unpredictable. People are going for interview. They went for medical. They went for interview. They use their money. But the visa they are not getting. They are being told to wait. And kindly remember, when you are going for a visa interview, your visa is valid for 6 months. 6 months is the validity of the visa. And the first date, you know, of your visa validity, it's the date when you did your medical. So you have 6 months. You have 6 months to immigrate after you do your medical interview. So if within those 6 months you will not have immigrated, you might be told to repeat your medical, and that costs money. So I don't know what is going to happen, because some people might have stayed 6 months since they did their DV Lottery Visa interview. And if 6 months lapses and the validity of DV Lottery Visa is 6 months, you might need to spend some more money to do your visa interview unless they change the rule. And doing medical for one person, it is usually around $220. If you multiply that by 128, that's about how much? That's about, that could be, if you multiply that figure, it could be more than that 30,000. It could be more than 30K. 30K plus. That's a lot of money being told to repeat. I really wish if those going for interview, they can just get their visa. It would be a good thing instead of having to wait, and they might be told to repeat their visa interview. Here in the United States, we can see fewer and fewer people coming in. Churches are having fewer people who are joining. People join as visitors. Oh, we came from this country. But fewer and fewer people are coming in. By the way, someone was telling me that in their CNA school, they don't have those many people. They are really marketing, but they are operating at like 50% capacity of what they used to apply. Most people used to come, but nowadays, very few people are coming. Things are tougher, man. Things are tougher. But personally, I'm okay. I'm good, and I thank God. I'm still here in Washington, but things have been so expensive. I'm telling you, we used to buy gas for $3.50. This is petrol. But lately, we are buying gas at $5.6. I saw another place. They had written they are selling gas 6.2. This is very expensive. We have never seen something like that. Things have become tough. Things are tough. And by the way, those people of yours who are here in the United States and you don't see them sending you a lot of money, things have been a little bit tougher. Yeah, I'm telling you the truth. But that should not discourage anybody from coming to the United States. It's still a better place, by the way. But things are tougher nowadays. The economy is tougher. Fewer and fewer people are coming in. They have completely shut down the southern border. They are saying zero immigration, and that probably is a good thing because illegal immigration is something bad. But even the legal immigration in the United States, it is not happening as it used to happen. So that is the update I have. That is why most of us have not been doing content, because the process has become unpredictable. We no longer know what to expect when. Like we have been waiting for them to tell us when they are going to open DV lottery. Nothing is forthcoming. And by the way, they used to release information previously about what is happening. Lately, we are not seeing updates. Like the last time they updated about the visa issuance of immigrant visa was in September 2025. They used to update this monthly. They used to post it online. Nowadays, we are not seeing it. Even the non-immigrant visa, we could tell this is how far they got the visas. Nowadays, there is nothing. Maybe I don't know where they are posting it nowadays, because we just used to check here. The website where we come to check news, they are not posting a lot. This is the website itself. This is where they put announcements. They have not been updating a lot about what is happening in the DV lottery world. So if you need to check for updates, we check there on travel.state.gov. Nothing much is happening. The DV process for DV 2026 has been going on in some other countries, as you can see here on the website, called dvcharts.xavicius.xyz, but it is not as fast as it used to be. Things are slow. Things are slower. They have issued a total of about 7,000 visas in total, as you can see here. They have issued a total of 7,000 visas, as you can see here. Yeah, let me highlight this. 6,958. That is the number of visas we see they have issued. And in Africa, we can see on this website, they have issued about 2,022, 21. And I think these are the visas that were issued earlier. Some countries like Kenya, I haven't heard of someone who have been given a DV visa lately. I don't know what is happening. I really don't. I don't know. And we hoped to see more people come to United States legally through the DV process, but nothing is forthcoming. That is why most of us content creators have been silent, because what do we tell people? We are just observing what is happening. But stay tuned to this channel. I'll keep updating the little information that I have, or whatever small information that has been trickling in. We'll see. But nothing much is happening. We are still hoping that DV 2027 is going to happen. We hope it happens. But there will be very little time for them to process it. So I don't know how that is going to happen. But you stay ready with your passport. If in case they ask for a passport, you never know. Just stay ready. That's an extra cost, but stay ready. Stay prayerful. Pray that they open these channels, because it is a good thing. Being in the United States is a good thing, especially when you're here legally. It is a good thing. And those people who won DV 2026, we are still praying for you. And we are wishing you all the very best. Those people who have done interviews and they received yellow papers and they were told to wait, we are praying for you that things will open up and everything will be all right. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you so much. And if I have more and more updates, I'll continue updating you about what is going on. Thank you and be blessed. You can choose to watch a video like this one right here to continue learning more about the DV process. See you in this video right here. Bye. Thank you.